got the video going. We're going to be using a thing called Pro Select, and the plan is that it looks like he's folding it, like rolling it towards the burst. Doesn't that look like he's rolling it? And then once he's rolled it and burst the seal, then he uses this. Yeah. Oh my God, look at those hands. That's a professional. Oh, and it's bursted. Now he's going to do the roly thing for 15 seconds. We call him Shoe Shine Boy at the office. He's doing it. He's 10 seconds. He's 11. He's 12. He's 13, 14, 15. Now he's going to cut the edge that has the mark. Oh God, is he good under pressure. Unbelievable. You don't see this kind of performance every day. Now he's going to pour it into the hole. Oh God, look at that. That's called British Racing Green. A lot of people don't know that. Yes, and it's supposed to expand. It's supposed to fill a big hole. Ooh, it's bubbling. You know, unlike the cars that we drive, this is getting bigger. Oh yeah, it's getting bigger.
You think, Bob?
Oh yeah. I'm totally sure this is getting bigger. Damn. That hole's getting full.
Okay.
We might want to put, if we got any extra dirt, we want to put, I don't know. Block it from rolling down the hill. We could probably put the pipe in it and it would be there forever. God, I'm tempted to stick one of those pipes in there.
No, don't do it.
Oh, see how it looks like it's almost getting hard with that green lumpy stuff. Looks like final product.
Okay.
Oh my God. It's a kind of a, I'm not really into green that much, but oh my gosh, this is the magic of chemistry. I doesn't want you to play with it, my friend.
Yeah, I know, but
Leave it alone.
more in the front.
Quit misbehaving. I know that you can't stop yourself, but trust me. Oh God. I think we need to call the police and say there's something on the side of the road.
Is that disgraceful?
Yeah, you don't be touching it. You've made your commitment. This is going to be the final product. I hope this is an approved color for the United States Postal Service. Good idea. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this reminds me of Ghostbusters. Remember the guy, there was some guy who spit out green? Yes. This is slime. This is slime. So it's coming right along. We decided to do this instead of the usual Quikrete. And, you know, if it starts to get scary, we'll just run away. And then we'll act like we had nothing to do with this. And then we'll come back in an hour and watch this thing. It's climbed all the way up. So Miguel dug the hole a little bit bigger, a little deeper, a little more symmetric. I think that's a great idea. That's adorable. Look at that green. It looks like a big donut. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you can't have fun, don't bother to show up. That's gonna be great. Yeah. And it just keeps slowly growing. Where will it end up? Maybe in your living room. Oh yeah. I'm kind of digging this. So if we'd used the concrete, the quick mix stuff, we'd had to bring water and all that stuff, and then we were going to rely on the humidity and moisture in the air and a little bit of rain to set it up. And apparently this stuff gets so hard you have to use hand tools to get it to break loose. I think it sets up in an hour or two in its final hardness form, and I think 5 or 10 minutes for it to start to really hold this mailbox pole. Just have to play with it, don't you? Yeah. That tool's officially useless. So apparently this mailbox had been tilted over, and the post office gave him a nice letter saying, hey, get your your mailbox upright. So that's working. We wore gloves, which that's what the instructions said we had to do, and we wore safety glasses. Yeah. Okay, I think the word ugly comes to mind. Yeah. And I don't know, is it still slowly growing? I would think it'd be done by now. So if I were to do it again, I would get a cardboard form, like one of those tubes that they pour cement into. We would have lifted the post out, slid the form over the area, dropped the post in, and then filled it up. And then we would have a nice symmetric piece. But that'll be for next time, next year. Yeah. It's another fun day. It's a Saturday to remember. Yes. We're 6 minutes into the project. It's a little windy, if you can imagine. Which way is south? I don't even know. That way. Okay, the wind's coming out of the south. Comes from behind me. Yeah, this is like watching paint dry. But at least we have a cow that's making noise. We'll do a little terrain view. It's always kind of fun to see where we are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just do a little Midwest farmland. Corn, beans. Oh yeah. Yeah, not a bad day. Cloudy, of course. And then my other idea was, if we dug this hole really deep with a post hole digger, we could have put this in and then left 3 or 4 inches where we could have put some dirt around it and then put pretty flowers. But apparently that wasn't a very popular decision, so we didn't do that. Yeah. Very good. So I'm going to turn the camera off. It's looking a little weird. I'm kind of digging it. Bye.